Good morning, students. Today we're going to start with the trading and settlement procedure in the stock exchange and the secondary market. So trading in securities is now executed through an online screen-based electronic trading system. Simply put, all buying and selling of shares and debentures are done through a computer terminal. Right now the situation is, जब 1857 या 1897 के बाद बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का एस्टैब्लिशमेंट हुआ था, उस टाइम का सिनेरियो अभी हम हिस्ट्री में पढ़ेंगे. बट टुडे इज द सिनेरियो दैट वी आर हैविंग द कंप्यूटर बेस्ड स्टॉक एक्सचेंज वेयर द सिक्योरिटीज सेलिंग प्राइस और बाइंग प्राइस और द ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम everything is being uploaded on the Bombay or the stock exchange of various markets, and then the investors are looking for into the reinvestment or the de-investment, whatever they are willing to do so. There was a time when in the open outcry system, securities were bought and sold on the floor of the stock exchange. Under this auction system, deals were struck among brokers, prices were shouted out, and the shares sold to the highest bidder. Earlier, what used to happen before the invention of this internet and before the invention of the computer, what we used to do or what the traders used to do, there was a stock exchange market where on the floor all the sellers or all the brokers used to stand at a queue, and then all the investors would bid or would auction or would like to pay the amount that they can. फिर वहाँ पर ये होता था कि जितने भी ऑक्शन में आए हुए हैं हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स, ब्रोकर ने एक फिक्स कर दिया एक अमाउंट, और उस फिक्स अमाउंट के ऊपर जो जितना ज़्यादा पे कर सकता था, ही यूज्ड टू शाउट दैट अमाउंट, एंड देन दैट सिक्योरिटीज वाज सोल्ड टू दैट लायबल investor. This was the history of the stock exchange. But with the invention of computer and with the invention of internet, this has been abolished now. Everything is now done on the computer based system. However, now almost all exchanges have electronic, and trading is done in the broker's office through a computer terminal. A stock exchange has its main computer system with many terminals spread across the country. एक सिंपल सा सॉफ्टवेयर होता है सारे ब्रोकर्स के पास, और अब जो डीलिंग होती है, बाइंग एंड सेलिंग होती है ऑफ द सिक्योरिटीज आर नाउ डन इन द ब्रोकर्स ऑफिस. ट्रेडिंग सिक्योरिटीज इज डन थ्रू ब्रोकर विद who are members of the stock exchange. Trading has shifted from the stock market floor to the broker's office. So जैसे ही ब्रोकर ऑफिस में अब जो हमारा ट्रेडिंग हो रहा है, बाइंग एंड सेलिंग ऑफ सिक्योरिटीज हो रहे हैं, सो इट इज कंटिन्यूड फ्रॉम द फ्लोर नाउ टू द ब्रोकर्स ऑफिस, वेयर द ब्रोकर एंड द मेंबर ऑफ द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज एक्टिवली टेक पार्ट इन टू. Every broker has to have access to a computer terminal that is connected to the main stock exchange. अब कुछ इसके लीगल फ्रेमवर्क्स भी हैं that every broker must have access to a computer terminal and he must be connected to the stock exchange in which he is dealing to. In this screen-based trading, a member logs on the site and any information about the shares he wishes to buy or sell, and the prices is fed into the computer. अब इसमें क्या होता है, there's an investor or any new person, so he logins to the broker system, computer system terminal, where he uploads the number of shares he want to sell or he want to buy, the price that he want to quote, at what price he want to purchase the share or securities, or at what price he want to sell the securities. Everything is quoted there, and then the software is so designed that the transaction will be executed when a matching order is found from a counterparty. अब इस सिचुएशन में क्या होता है, ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर है स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का, वो इस तरीके से डिज़ाइन किया गया है कि व्हेन a person or a member feeds into the required information into the terminal, then the software finds out the matching order of the amount the quantity and the price of the securities that he is willing to buy or sell, and the party who is matching with this assignment of selling or buying of the securities. The whole transaction is carried on the computer screen, with both the parties being able to see the prices of all shares going up and down at all times during the time that business is transacted and during business hours of the stock exchange. कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन टर्मिनल्स पे आने के बाद यही हो पाता है कि जो दोनों पार्टीज हैं, the buyer, the seller, the broker, they are able to see each other, they are able to connect to each other, and they are able to see the fluctuations in the market that carry to the price fluctuation of the securities. The computer in the broker's office is constantly matching orders at the best bid and offer price. Those that are not matched remain on the screen and are open for future matching during the day. अब इसमें क्या होता है कि जितने भी शेयर्स होते हैं, जितने भी सिक्योरिटीज़ होते हैं जिनको मैच होता जाता है, वो वहाँ पे ट्रेड उनका हो जाता है. एंड द लेफ्ट ओवर जिनका मैच नहीं हो पाता, नेक्स्ट डे उन्हीं के साथ वो स्क्रीन पे वैसे के वैसे मेंशन्ड रहते हैं. They start for the fresh day with all those mentioned securities that are not being traded yet. वो अभी भी वहाँ पे listed रहेंगे. Electronic trading system or screen-based trading has certain advantages. It ensures transparency as it allows participants to see the prices of all securities in the market while business is being transacted. ट्रांसपेरेंसी किस तरीके से देता है ये जो आपका कंप्यूटर बेस्ड स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में, कि जो इसमें ट्रेडर हैं, जो ब्रोकर हैं, द सेलर है, द बायर, एवरीवन इज एबल टू सी द प्राइसेस ऑफ सेलिंग एंड बाइंग इन द मार्केट. सो देर इज नो डुप्लीकेसी, नो you could say corruption that could occur here. Next is, it increases efficiency of information being passed on, thus helping in fixing prices efficiently. The computer screens display information on prices and also capital market developments that influence share prices. क्या होता है कि we know that the market forces, that the demand and the supply influences the price of anything that is being traded, right? So that is the same case in the stock exchange also with securities. मार्केट फोर्सेस हैं, कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर है, जैसे इसमें चेंजेस आते हैं, फ्लक्चुएशंस आते हैं, ऑब्वियसली बात है प्रोडक्शन में, ट्रेडिंग में, सप्लाई में भी फ्लक्चुएशंस आएंगे. और जब डिमांड एंड सप्लाई में फ्लक्चुएशंस आएंगे तो उसके साथ साथ प्राइजेस में भी फ्लक्चुएशंस आएंगे. एंड दिस इज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड बाय द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज. It increases the efficiency of operations since there is a reduction in time, cost and risk of error. Efficiency कैसे बढ़ती है कि इसमें जो टाइम एंड कॉस्ट है, एरर है, वो सब चीज़ें यहाँ पे नहीं हो पाती क्योंकि सिस्टम बेस्ड है. तो इसलिए टाइम का कोई यहाँ पे एज सच नहीं होता है लॉस. कॉस्ट भी ज़्यादा इनकर नहीं होती बिकॉज यू हैव टू जस्ट लॉग इन टू द साइट. Next is, people from all over the country and even abroad who wish to participate in the stock market can buy or sell securities through brokers or members without knowing each other. That is, they can sit in the broker's office, log onto the computer at the same time and buy or sell securities. This system has enabled a large number of participants to trade with each other, thereby improving the liquidity of the market. अब क्या हो रहा है कि जैसे जैसे जो हमारा स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है वो इतनी कन्वीनियंस दे रहा है, तो इसके साथ जो फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो विलिंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन द डोमेस्टिक इकोनॉमी. और उसके लिए उन्हें कुछ नहीं करना. दे इवन डोंट हैव टू सेटल अ रिलेशनशिप विद द ब्रोकर. दे हैव टू जस्ट लॉग इन into the broker's office. They can see the prices and they can invest in the market by selling or buying of the securities. And this is enabling the liquidity of the market. A single trading platform has been provided as business is transacted at the same time in all the trading centers. Thus, all the trading centers spread all over the country have been brought onto a one trading platform, that is the stock exchange on the computer. इसके लिए आप एग्जाम्पल ले लीजिए दैट यू ऑल आर डूइंग क्लास 12th, राइट, बट आपकी एलिजिबिलिटी को यहाँ पर एक तरीके से मेजर करने के लिए यू आर ऑल एफिलिएटेड टू अ सिंगल बोर्ड, दैट इज द CBSE, राइट. In CBSE you are having different schools in different capitals in different states all over the country, and you have a common paper for all the subject, for all the areas, for all the states. That is the same case with the stock exchange, where every securities buying and selling and trading is brought into one platform under one roof. That is the online system of the stock exchange. Trade has to be registered, had to be in a legal framework, and had to be in the secondary market where new shareholders, new investors can enter or withdraw from the market. And this is very important to have a single platform so that the securities could have a manageable prices and the whole market could be brought under one platform, under one roof for the economic development. Now, screen-based trading or online trading is the only way in which you can buy or sell shares. Shares can be held either in physical form or any electronic book entry form of holding, and transferring shares can also be adopted. This electronic form is called dematerialized form. So, history जो थी सिक्योरिटीज़ की ट्रेडिंग की जो ऑफलाइन से स्टार्ट हुई थी, अब वो पूरी तरीके से ऑनलाइन हो गई है, एंड दिस इज़ द ओनली ऑप्शन लेफ्ट फॉर द ट्रेडिंग ऑफ द सिक्योरिटीज़ in the stock exchange market. So today we had completed the trading and settlement procedure. Tomorrow we will start with the steps in the trading and settlement procedure.